tornado warning has just been issued. I'm going to ask Aaron to hop over onto the weather computer, and we're going to investigate that one. This is a tornado warning that has been issued for Franklin County, Halifax County, and Warren County. So this is a storm that is to the north and east of the triangle, but because of the direction of movement, this is the storm that's going to be dropping down in the direction of the triangle. There's northern Wake County right now. There is the tornado warning storm that we're looking at. It is in Halifax County at the moment, so you want to take shelter in the path of this storm. It's to the west of Halifax itself. It is to the south of Warrenton, the path that it's going to be following. So this is the direction it's going to be moving as we look to Raleigh and back to the northeast. So here is the rotating part of the thunderstorm. This is going to be diving off to the west and southwest. Again, a different movement. Everything's going backwards across the radar, so you can see the direction that everything is going, and we'll be able to look inside and get a view of the wind direction on this storm in just a moment and put a storm tracker on it as well. So here's what we're looking at on the radar. No update just came in showing the expansion of the heavy rainfall with this. Again, it's dark outside, and it's going to be wrapped up in rain. Don't try to get a look at this. These hurricane-associated tornadoes develop and dissipate very quickly. Typically, they last just 30 seconds to a minute, but in terms of that velocity scan right now, here's the spot. You just see these two different shades of green, but that's the rotation that has prompted the tornado warning from the National Weather Service, and that's going to continue moving off to the west and southwest in the general direction of Centerville. We'll see if it actually is going to impact that particular community. Aaron, if we can put a storm track on this, let me give you a motion so we can let you know the direction. It is west-southwest at 45 miles an hour is the speed at which the rotating part of the thunderstorm is moving. I've got my laptop just off screen here. We're looking into the National Weather Service chat room. It gives us some indications of their thinking regarding this specific thunderstorm. The time is going to go until 3:30 this morning. So this is a warning that's in effect for Halifax County, for Warren County, and for far northern Franklin County. And we're going to draw out the cone. We draw it out so we can get a sense of exactly the speed, so we can give you the precise arrival time in different locations. We're going to draw it towards Centerville. The storm is going to be arriving in Centerville. Again, this is a radar-indicated tornado. 3:20 a.m. is when it's expected to be in Centerville. So you need to take those tornado precautions. Be in a safe space. Basement if you have it. Otherwise, lowest structure in an interior room, and we're going to be looking for those rotation signs to hopefully dissipate. These tend to not last very long, but this one's just in its very beginning signs right now. After that, we track it towards White Level by 3:26, towards Lewisburg by 3:38. Again, the warning itself only goes until 3:30, and by that point, in all likelihood, this rotation will have diminished. What happens with these landfalling hurricanes is there's a lot of rotation with the storm overall as it starts to move over land. Even these outer rain bands, some of that rotation as it gets over land, it slows down the whole motion of the storm, but some of that rotation gets dragged down to ground level, and that's what we're seeing.